Hey there, so right now I'm working on object caching plugin for WordPress. So in that we want to use relay extension as well. So I'm gonna install relay on my Mac OS, but I'm having some problem. So we are going to try solving this problem for installing relay. So I'll be using these two clients, ChatGPT and Cloud. So we will see which one fixes my problem. So I have macOS and these are the requirements. So I have already satisfied these two requirements. So let's quickly so I have version 8.1, which is good. Redis server, Redis CLI version. I don't know how to check Redis version here. Let's see if I have Redis CLI version. Yeah, so ready. I tried that function, right? Redis, yeah, okay, spelling mistake. Sorry about that. So yeah, 8 to 1, yeah, which is again satisfied. JSON is already there. So basically, I want to, we can check. So this is extension of PHP. So this is my JSON support is enabled. Then session is already there. I guess it should be there. Yeah, session support enable. This one is not there, so we have to install that. And this message pack or whatever it is, it's also not there, so we have to install there. So let's try to install using, so it says relay can be installed on Mac using Homebrew. So I do have Homebrew, so I'm gonna install this. This says PHP 8.4, but I'm not sure if that works with PHP 8.1 or not. So let me try to install and we will see. So it's already installed and up to date. It says already installed and up to date. So I'm gonna try this, but it's a extension relay not present, and I got a bunch of this errors over here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask ChatGPT about, I am trying to install relay on my MacBook. It installed, but when I try following command, I am having following errors. So I'm gonna paste this error, and this is the command error. So I'm gonna copy the same over here in Cloud. So it says is very specific and actually points binary incompatibility between PHP and relay, not a missing file. So I think so it says PHP 8.4, but mine was 8.1. So how should one install? Okay, they have given the example here. So I'm gonna do this PHP relay 8.1, and we'll see what happens next. So fetching downloads. Okay. So what it says, an exception occurred within child process. Relay requires the message pack extension. Install it using. So first it requires message pack. So let's install this. Again, I'm having this error, but let's ignore at the moment. It has started installing message pack, which is basically I was trying to install message pack, and another one was the IG binary. So now it is saying build process complete installing this, but it says fail to write message pack. So something is not written. So let's try to use, oh sorry, where was I? Okay, I think I have to copy some things from here to at some place where I have no right access or permission. Let's try to ask this question. Let's ignore whatever we have in previous. So what's happening? Piece is successfully compiled but failed at final steps. Permission denied of this at this place. That directory is owned by root, and your current user doesn't have right access suffix. How do we do that? So it's just run the command with sudo. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna, oh sorry. So this was the command. So I will do sudo and will install using password, and we'll see it should now place the file at the right place. Okay, extension message pack enabled in PHP INI. Okay, so it is there. It's there in PHP INI. Okay, message pack is there. Now similarly we can now we have to install this as well, IG binary or something, IG binary. I have no idea what this does. Install failed. So IG binary is already installed and same as, okay, so it is already installed. So we have this, we have everything, we have, now we can start installing relay 8.1. It should install now. Okay, relay is installed, so run to ensure whether relay is working. It still says relay is not working. So finally be sure to restart PHP FPM script. So let's restart it. Okay, successfully restored. Now extension relay is not present. So PHP FPM can run in the build background. You can manage with them. Okay. FPM is already running. So let's copy this entire thing so that our AI client knows what is happening. So you actually fix the version mismatch, but PHP is still loading the old incompatible extension, which is this. That's why you still see symbol not found, whatever. So root problem is you now have two relay installed. One is generic wrong PHP version. Another one is 8.1, which is correct. PHP is still pointing to the old one. So remove the wrong one first. What they are suggesting. The real problem installed correctly, but the terminal is still using different PHP not remove. The still points to old link key, not the new one. Confirm this. So let's try to check this one. So Zen, and it's with Zen opcache 8134. PHP 8.1.34. So I bet it's showing 8.2 or 8.3, not 8.1, but it is displaying 8.1. So that's not the case. Here it is trying to remove this, but let's see, switch your terminal to PHP. So let's try to do this. I'm gonna unlink the PHP. Okay, it was like 8.5.5. I'm not sure how things are going here. And let's try to override it. So brew link override force. So now it is 8.1. Let's try to, it was this only, I'm not sure. Then add it to your path. So let's try to add that. So it is added. Source the file. Okay. Now let's try to run. So 8.1.1. Okay. Fix the INI config too. So relay 8.1 wrote its config to but old relay INI for still pointing the wrong one. Before doing that, let's confirm. So relay is not present. And now I want to uninstall relay, the default one. Okay. Then brew link. I think this was done, but still let's do that. Brew link catch work. So link in relay 8.1 symlink created. Now open this. So I will do with the sudo. Okay. You will likely to see extension relay whatever extension. Where is it? Yeah, this one. Homebrew seller relay 021 relay.so. Replace it with pt homebrew. Let's copy this. Let's copy the entire line, and I'm gonna comment this and put this line here. and save it. Okay, so file is saved, or better ini extension equal to it, but we already done. Now verify the PHP version again. Okay, our all the warnings has been gone now, so I think we did correct. I think we don't need to do anything else now. Let's try. Okay, so relay is there, homebrew installed. So this is how I managed to install the relay on my system. So problem was I have wrong PHP version first, so I corrected PHP version, and based on the version I installed relay over here, but relay depends on all of this PHP extensions, so I install those PHP extensions over there. So yeah, this is how the relay let me see if this can be seen in my PHP INI of local relay. Relay is not there, but I am GPEG or something. I think I have to copy because the local has different set of PHP installed on its repo. So I think I have to copy all of this. But yeah, long story short, I was able to install relay as per matching the PHP extension and PHP version. So that's all. Thank you.